You can become more productive and efficient only when you plan your day. In this guide, I will be teaching you how to use Notion to plan your daily activities. If you are new to Notion, do well to watch this video before you continue with this one. Head over to Notion and sign in from here. After you've successfully signed in, navigate your mouse to templates. Over here, there are a couple of templates that you can use. There are free templates and paid templates as well. And in this video, we are looking at how to use Notion to plan your daily activities. So we'll go over to weekly planner and select weekly planner. You can go with habit tracking as well. When you select the weekly planner category, there are a lot of templates that you can use to in order to save time. You don't have to create your own template. Okay, so you can select a free template from these options. You can go through the free templates and select the one that best suits you. After deciding on the type of template that you want, you can go ahead and click on it. Click on add, then you can add it to your private pages or you can add it to a team space. It will be added to your private pages for you. So after that, you just go ahead and click on it like this. And your template is ready to be customized. So over here, you can see that this is daily tasks. Then you have the day, the month, and all that. You can customize this. So you can just say Mondays to Fridays. After that, you go down further to edit or customize the goals, the activities on the Monday session, Tuesday session, Wednesday session, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then if you have some habits that you would want to, incorporate in your plans, you can edit them and add them over here. This is how you can use Notion to plan your daily activities. Go ahead and customize this template to your liking. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again